Welcome to Simple Woodworking for Beginners. Quick and easy ideas. Whether you're looking to delve into a new hobby or simply want to create something special for your home, this video is designed with you in mind. Woodworking can be a rewarding experience that not only enhances your creativity, but also allows you to develop useful skills. With our carefully selected projects, you'll find that getting started is easier than you think. In this video, you'll discover a variety of quick and straightforward woodworking ideas tailored specifically for beginners. Each project includes step-by-step instructions and essential tips to ensure your success. From crafting practical home items to creating unique decor, these projects will help you build confidence and enjoy the satisfaction of working with your hands. So grab your tools and let's embark on this exciting woodworking journey together. Woodworking is more than just a hobby. It's a gateway to creating functional and beautiful items that you can proudly display or use in your home. From furniture to decorative pieces, woodworking allows you to personalize your space in ways that store-bought items simply can't match. Plus, engaging in hands-on projects can be a great stress reliever, offering a satisfying break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Ideal for beginners. This video specifically focuses on quick and easy projects that are perfect for beginners. Each project has been carefully selected to ensure that you can complete it with minimal experience, yet still feel the joy of accomplishment. With clear, step-by-step instructions and illustrations, you'll find it easy to follow along, even if you've never picked up a tool before. Tools and materials. One of the best aspects of woodworking is that you don't need an extensive toolkit to get started. This book covers the essential tools and materials you'll need for the projects, with a focus on affordability and accessibility. You'll learn how to make the most of what you have, transforming simple pieces of wood into remarkable creations. Boosting confidence. As you work through each project, you'll not only develop your woodworking skills, but also boost your confidence. Completing even small projects can yield a sense of accomplishment that encourages you to take on more complex tasks. With each finished piece, you'll feel more capable and ready to explore the wider world of woodworking. Creative expression. Woodworking is a fantastic outlet for creativity. Each project offers opportunities for personalization, allowing you to express your unique style. Whether it's choosing the finish for a piece or adding decorative elements, you'll have the chance to make each project your own. This creative journey is rewarding and will help you hone your artistic sense. Sustainable practices. In today's world, many people are looking for ways to be more sustainable. Woodworking can fit into this lifestyle perfectly. By using reclaimed wood or sustainable materials, you can create beautiful pieces while being environmentally conscious. This guide emphasizes sustainable practices, helping you make choices that are good for both your projects and the planet. community, and support. Starting a new hobby can sometimes feel isolating, but with woodworking, you'll find a welcoming community. Many beginner woodworkers share their experiences through online forums, social media, and local workshops. By joining this community, you'll find inspiration, support, and a wealth of knowledge to help you along your journey. In conclusion, Simple Woodworking for Beginners. Quick and Easy Ideas is not just a book. It's an invitation to discover the joy of creating with your hands. By exploring the projects within, you'll gain valuable skills, build a unique collection of handmade items, and experience a newfound sense of accomplishment. Let's embark on this woodworking adventure together. Your creative journey awaits. Thank you for exploring Simple Woodworking for Beginners. Quick and easy ideas. We appreciate your interest in embarking on this creative journey with us. Your support means a lot, and we hope you find inspiration and joy in every project you take on. If you enjoyed this guide, we encourage you to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and updates on woodworking projects. Don't forget to like and share this resource with friends and family who might also be interested in starting their woodworking adventure. Together, let's build a vibrant community of woodworking enthusiasts. Happy crafting!